So whether we should consider doing MBA from India or we should consider doing MBA from abroad. In this video, we are going to discuss few points for you that will help you to decide whether you should consider doing your MBA from India or whether you should consider doing your MBA from abroad. So the first point that you need to consider while choosing this option to whether do MBA from India or from abroad is tuition and your living cost expenses. So if you talk about doing MBAs from tier 1 MBA colleges and from IIMs, the average fees would range around 25 lakhs to around 35 lakhs. While if you consider doing MBA from abroad, your tuition fees including your living expenses and all would cost you around 1.5 CR to close to 2 CR. So far, India is budget friendly. If we compare about the fee structure, definitely India is budget friendly as compared to abroad. So the second point that you will consider would be your return of investment and post MBA salary, right? So if you talk about in India for the tier 1 MBA colleges, the average salary that you can expect would be around close to 30 to 35 LPA. While if we talk about abroad, so the average package that you can expect would be around 1 CR to close to 2 CR. Now, the third most important point that you would consider is work visa and stay back rules. So if we talk about USA, F1 student visa मिलता है, उसके बाद optional practical training से 12 months का work ex मिलेगा, STEM MBA वाली fields में extra 24 months का extension के chance and then H1B lottery कभी मिले ना मिले game है H1B का. So if we talk about UK, जो भी 1 year masters या MBA करे उसको 2 साल का ग्रेजुएट वीजा मिलता है, मतलब डिग्री के बाद 2 साल तक यूके में वर्क एक्स कर सकता है. PhD वालों के लिए 3 साल का वर्क वीजा मिलता है. देन फॉर कनाडा MBA या मास्टर्स के लिए नया रूल है, फॉर 3 ईयर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट मिल सकता है. अगर डिग्री एटलीस्ट 8 मंथ्स की है तो कनाडा में 5 साल तक का प्लान बनाओ एंड यू वुड बी देन इजिली सेटल्ड देयर. In India, no visa drama would be there, while in abroad you have to deal with immigration policy, visas and all. Fourth point, now the admission test that you would be considering while joining MBA in India. So you have to appear for CAT, and then after CAT there would be case study discussions, VAT rounds, group discussions and all. While for doing MBA in abroad, you need to appear for GMAT plus TOEFL or IELTS.